Combine a creamy tomato sauce with ground beef and tender pasta in this classic beefaroni recipe. Start by cooking off your pasta in a large pot of boiling salted water. In a large skillet, start cooking your ground beef, then chop up some onion and garlic and add it to the meat. Sprinkle with salt, cook fully, and then transfer to a clean bowl. When the pasta is ready, drain it and reserve. To make the sauce, place the butter in the skillet and melt it down. Add the flour and the tomato paste and whisk everything until smooth. Continue by adding the broth to the skillet, whisking everything together to make the sauce. Once it comes to a simmer, add in the cream and mix it in. While it's simmering, add in the Worcestershire sauce, the mustard, and the ketchup, and stir to combine. Let it simmer for a few minutes and then add in your ground beef, stirring it in to cover in sauce and then adding the pasta. Once it's all covered in sauce, add in the grated cheddar cheese and mix until just melting. Thanks for watching. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.